Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is A Square Maths Made Easy Academy. In my today's video, we shall be talking about what we call polynomial division. What did I say? Polynomial what? Division. Now I want you to look at this question. The question says, divide x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 2 plus x minus 1 by x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 plus what? 3. Now look at the options. So the options are this. Option B is this. Option C is this. And option D is what? This. Now we are going to resolve this question using what we call polynomial what? Division. I want you to watch this. Everybody watch. Now, the polynomial is given as x to power 4, right? Minus what? X to power 2 plus what? X minus 1. Now, I want to make it clear. If you observe this, the highest power here is what? 4. If it is 4, it will decrease to 3. And after decreasing to 3, the next power that will decrease is what? 2. Can you see that power 3 is missing what? Here. So, but the first thing is to make it to, looks sequential. How do I introduce power 3? So that it will still look like this expression. I want you to watch. I can call it x raised to power 4, right? Then since I don't have x to power what? 3, I will now call it plus 0 x raised to power what? 3. Now this thing simply means there is nothing as well. Then followed by minus x raised to power 2. Then plus what? X. And finally minus what? 1. So I want you to observe this, that this particular polynomial that you're seeing here is something like this. Are you with me? Now observe this. It started with the highest power, which is 4. It now decreased to what? 3. Then decreased to what? 2. Decreased to what? 1. Then with a constant. Can you observe this, that the equation is what? Balanced. Now let us apply what we call polynomial division approach. How? Now this is the divisor, which is x cubed minus x squared plus 3. So I will consider it first and write x cubed minus what? X squared. Then plus what? 3. Then divided by, I want you to watch, divided by, we have x to power 4 plus 0x to power what? 3. Then minus x to power 2. Then plus what? X. And finally minus what? 1. So this is how we are going to be taking it bit by what? Bit. Now how do we divide? That is the case now. I want you to watch. Always use this to divide everything that is written here. Let's start with this x to power 3. We divide x to power what? 4, like this. How? I have with me x raised to power 4, then over x raised to power what? 3. And how many 3 exists at the denominator? How many 3 exists at the, x exists at the denominator is what? 3. Why the numerator is what? 4. But in this is the same thing as x dot x dot x dot x into how many places? 4 what? Places. Divided by the denominator, which is what? X dot another what? X. Are you with me? Now something is about to happen here. What is that? Watch. This one will terminate this. This one will terminate this. And this one is terminated. So what is remaining is what? X. So which means the quotient there, which is the result, you pronounce it and call it what? X. Are you with me now? Now having satisfied that this is your what? X. What do we do next? I want you to observe something here. You now use this x to multiply this x cubed. It will give you x raised to power what? 4. I take it again. X times x raised to power 3 will give you x raised to power what? 4. Then where are we going to fix it? We fix it under this power 4. I will now call it x raised to power what? 4. Are you there? Then another one is x times minus x raised to power 2 will give us minus x raised to power what? 3. Where am I going to fix that power 3? Is under this power 3. I will now call it minus. Are you there now? Then x raised to the power of what? 3. Then finally is this particular x again. Multiply what? Plus 3 will give us plus 3 what? X. Are you there now? It will give us plus what? 3 what? X. So which means where am I going to fix that plus 3x now? Please, I want you to observe. Just be very careful. Since the power is 1, I will go here and introduce plus 3x. Plus what? 3x. Are you with me now? Then can you observe that the power here and the power here are the same, and the coefficient here is 1, coefficient here is what? 1. then introduce your line and subtract, and do what? Subtract. Now if I subtract this, you agree with me that x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 4 is already 0. It's already what? 0. That one is gone already. Then next is plus 0x to power 3 minus x to power what? 3. I repeat, plus 0x to power 3 minus x to power 3. By mathematics, minus is what? Plus. It now becomes 0x to power 3 plus what? X to power 3 will give us x to power what? 3. Are you with me now? Wow, this is invisible what? 1. Are you there now? Are you there? So I cannot call it 1x to power 3. No. Now moving on again, this very particular power 2 has no family. Bring the value down. And what is the value? Minus what? X raised to the power of what? 2. Are you there now? Now the next one is this. Plus x minus plus 3x. I repeat. Plus what? X minus plus 3 what? X. What does it mean? Minus plus will give you what? Minus. So how do we describe it now? Plus x minus 3x will give us minus 2x. Are you there now? Now this last one also has no family, which is minus 1. Bring it what? Down. Are you there? So what is the next thing? I will divide again. Use the same value to divide by this. Watch. Are you with me now? So how? X raised to power 3, which is this one, divided by what? X raised to power 3. And how do we expand it? This is x times another what? X over x times another what? X. This one will cancel. This one will cancel. This one will do what? Cancel. So what remains here is 1 over 1. And 1 over 1 is what? 1. So since the answer is 1, what will I go? I will now go to the quotient and introduce plus what? 1. Are you with me now? So after that, what is the next thing? Use this one to multiply the divisor, one after the other. Oh yeah, let's go. 1 times x raised to power 3 will give us x raised to power what? 3. I'll put it under here, which is x all to the power of what? 3. Now again, 1 times minus x squared will give us minus what? X squared. I'll produce it under square, which is minus what? X squared. Put it here. Then finally on this, 1 times 3 will give us plus what? Plus what? 3. Plus what? 3. Plus what? 3. And there is no x here. So go to the last one and introduce plus what? 3. Can you see that the coefficients are the same? The powers also are what? The same. Introduce what? Minus. How? I will now say x to power 3 minus x to power 3 is already what? 0. Then the other one is minus x to power 2 minus x to power 2. Then minus is what? Plus, right? Then how do we describe it? Minus x to power 2 plus x to power 2 is also what? 0. Now observe this, it has no family. It has no what? Family down. Then bring it down. Here is minus 2x. Then lastly is minus 1 minus plus 3. You know that minus plus is what? Minus. So it will now becomes minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4. Are you with me now? So can you see that we are not going to continue dividing again because the power here is now to power 1, while the divisor is also to power what? 3. So we stop here, and this thing is called remainder. It's called what? Remainder. What did I say it is called? It is called what? Remainder. While the result that we've produced is called the quotient. It's called the what? Quotient. Then how do we modulus everything now? I will now say therefore, the answer now is, what is the quotient? The quotient is x plus 1. Close the bracket. Are you with me now? Then what is the remainder? Look at the remainder. The remainder is minus 2x minus 4. Close the what? Bracket. Divided by the divisor. Divided by the what? Divisor. And this is your divisor. Your divisor is x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 2 plus what? 3. Are you there now? Now that is not the end. If you observe the remainder, you find out that I can factorize something here so that the answer will appear in the option. There is minus, there is what? Minus. So what do you do? Factor what? Minus. What did I say? Factor what? Minus. Oh yeah, watch. Open bracket. I'm left with what? X plus 1. Are you there? Then open bracket. You know that minus already plus, right? What is remaining here is 2 what? X. Then minus will give us what? Plus. So what is remaining here is what? 4. close the bracket, then all over. Are you there now? The divisor. The what? Divisor. And what's the divisor? X cubed minus x raised to power 2 plus what? 3. And that is the final what? Answer. Are you with me now? Now let's cross check and know if something like that exists in the option. Wow. Now check option A. What is here? Minus. What is here? Minus. What is here? Bracket x plus 1 close bracket. What is here? Bracket x plus 1 close bracket. Then what is here? 2x plus 4. And what is here? 2x plus what? 4. Then all over, what is the divisor? X to power 3. Here is x to power 3. Are you there? Then what is here? Minus x squared. And what is here? Minus x squared. Then what is here? Plus 3. And what is here? Plus 3. So which means the correct answer in the option is option what? A. Have I made myself clear? Wow.